Hey everybody, Merry Christmas to you and your family. Hope you have a great holiday. I'm sitting here at my desk right now thinking about what is it you want for Christmas that Santa is not going to give you, right? You've had your letters to Santa and you've said, I really want more sales in 2019. I got to sell more merchant accounts, get more residual. That's what you really want, but you can't ask, your grandma for that because she's going to send you that ugly Christmas sweater that she sends every year for free, right? Your family's going to give you that, that underwear that you really, really wanted or those socks. But, that stuff's all free. But to get more sales in 2019, I thought maybe since our company has the programs to make that happen, maybe I should offer that to you at a really good rate as my Christmas present to you this year. So what I'm going to do is we have January 4th. We're launching our next, I'm bringing on our 20 agents that we're going to have in the 6-week Jumpstart program. So whether you have ISO sub-agents or you're an individual agent, you can jump in on that and I'll give you our webinar discount. So you can check out the link for the replay there to watch our launch event. Or if you want to get on the workshop for the cash discounting and surcharging, I'm actually going to reintroduce our discount 60% off that we had Black Friday. We got a few seats left on January 7th. So check out that session of it. You can register and click the link to do that. So no, in all seriousness, hope you have a great Christmas, a Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. I look forward to working with you in 2019, whether you are paying us for our programs or you just like watching our content and all the videos we try to put out. I hope that they're helpful to you. I hope they add value, and I hope that you have an awesome holiday season.